Hello, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to this ever present, ever loving, ever expanding, eternal now moment. We are all here in one cosmic home. I'm just guided to share what is meant by cosmic home, because cosmic means cosmos, and cosmos, when the word cosmos is used, it includes awareness or beingness or consciousness. So when I say cosmos, I'm in that moment also talking about our shared awareness, our shared beingness, and the shared consciousness within the cosmos. And one refers to our shared nature, and we all share the same shared cosmos or shared nature. And therefore, all of the cosmos and all that we share in our shared nature is a home to all. So the whole cosmos is one home for all of creation. And therefore, our shared beingness, that which we are aware of, all that is, and all consciousness is one cosmic home. And as we all enter more fully into the fullness of who we truly are, we are all always in our one cosmic home, because all of us share one beingness. And therefore, all that is within the cosmos, so all that appears within the cosmos, whether that is thoughts, whether that is images, whether that is memories, feelings, something we sense into, or sensations that we experience, it all appears in our being, in our awareness, in our consciousness, and therefore within the cosmos. And this shared nature that we are all one with, all that is, are within the cosmos. And this cosmic nature of our beings, we know all that we are. So all that is within the cosmic nature of our being is known by us. And therefore all that is within the cosmos of our being is made of this same one source light, the source of all light, and all life, and all love. So within the cosmos of our being, all is alive and all is moving all of the time. It is our shared nature. And this nature that we all share, that we are all one with, that we know ourselves to be, is boundless. There are no boundaries. It is boundless. And it is bountiful. That's the nature of our being, the nature of the cosmos. It cannot be destroyed, ever. It's indestructible. Nothing can be taken away from our beingness. And nothing can be added to it, because we all share the same. And within our cosmic nature, our beingness, we are all free. And it is our eternal shared nature. It is our one cosmic home. So all that appears within us is known by us. We are aware of it. We are conscious of it. And therefore, throughout all of the cosmos, this boundless and bountiful field of creation weaves and breathes through all of us all of the time, eternally so. And we all share the same nature. And therefore, all that is within the cosmos, whether that is animals, that is in the whole cosmic field of creation, or whether that is plants, or whether that is humans, or whether that is stars, planets, sun, moon, Jupiter, Neptune, all planets, and whether it is galaxies, which is just collections of planets, or universes, it is all within the cosmos. It is all in the one cosmic field of all of creation. And all light and all life is weaving and breathing eternally through our shared being, our true nature, our one cosmic home. And within this home, this cosmos, within this shared being, our shared nature, all the different ages that we have experienced, whether we were 3 years old or 20 years old, and all the paths we were on, whether that was a path through our human expression or our spiritual expression, all of that was within the cosmos of our being. And none of that is outside of us, because there's nothing outside of the cosmos. It's all within. It is all here now. One cosmic home. One eternal field of creation. And this awareness or beingness or consciousness, the cosmos of our beingness that we all share, is the nature of all of creation. All of creation. All human beings are within this field of creation and is accessible by all. It's not only for a few chosen ones. How can it be? It's our nature. It's who we are. So in this moment, perhaps for us to all experience that for ourselves, to not hear these words and be curious about what is meant by any of this, but rather to experience it for yourself, and through doing so to know it for yourself. So it will be helpful to close your eyes, purely to, in this moment, to allow yourself to be fully present with the experience that we are going to walk through. And to be intimately curious about that which we are walking through for you to experience. So if you can ever so gently turn your gaze inwards and close your eyes. And allow yourself to be fully present to all that is within your current felt experience. So perhaps there are thoughts that is appearing and disappearing. Allow them to be there freely. And whether they are emotions or feelings that you're aware of, just allow them to freely be there. And perhaps there's sensation as you feel yourself sitting, the body touching the surface on which you are sitting. Just bring into your experience all that you are experiencing in this moment, fully. And as you, the awareness that you are, notice all your experiences. Perhaps just for a moment, bring some thoughts into your awareness and just notice the movement of your thoughts. Any thoughts, all thoughts. And notice how you are aware of the thoughts, but you are not the thoughts. And when I say the word lemon or apple or dog, just see the image that appears and your awareness of it appearing. And it's there for a moment or two, and then it's just gone again. And perhaps just move your awareness to your rib cage and be aware of your ribs. And as you are aware of your ribs, move to your heart. And you, as awareness, just notice how you move from your heart through your ribs, through the skin of your body, and how effortlessly your awareness can move around And allow yourself to notice how, as you move you as awareness through all places in your body, in this perceived sensations named body. And how the awareness that you are, the consciousness of your being, can move through your heart, through the ribs, through your hips, through your skin, because you as awareness knows no boundaries. Now bring your awareness or focus your attention on Earth, and just notice how effortlessly you as awareness stays simultaneously within the sensations of the body and the awareness of Earth, wherever that appears for you. And now bring into your awareness different planets in the galaxy. And again, just notice how they appear in your awareness. And how effortlessly you can move your awareness around through your heart, through the ribs, sensations, Earth, planets, galaxy, and how all of that appears within you, within me, within us, within our shared being, our true nature. And now become aware of self, being aware of the planets that is appearing within you, the Earth that is appearing within you, the sun, the moon, your body, the body, sensations, the thoughts, memories, all appearing within your being. In this spacious nature, and all of this is known by you. And this cosmos, this shared nature that we all share, our one beingness, I, you, we are all sharing the same cosmos. And this pure consciousness, this pure awareness, this pure beingness is what all are made of. All planets, all stars, all people, all animals, all plants, all crystals, and all minerals and elements are made of and known by our shared being, by you, by me, by all of creation. We all are one cosmic home and all share the same being, which is boundless, bountiful, spacious, indestructible, cannot be separated. It's always have and always will be pure beingness, our true shared nature. All that we are aware of that appears in us, which can be memories, thoughts, images, feelings, sensations, is temporary. It comes and it goes. But our shared eternal nature is ever present, ever loving. It is who we are, and we all share the same beingness. So although I refer to cosmos, and although we refer to creator, creatrix, or creation, or any other names given, all those names is supporting or bridging our awareness to remember more fully our true nature, our shared nature, our oneness, our one cosmic home, home for all of creation, all expressions, appears in one cosmos of being. Experience this for yourself. you, awareness, you, consciousness, you, beingness, you, cosmos, one shared nature of beingness, where all appears in, are known by, and made of pure awareness, beingness, and consciousness, which we all share. Just notice how you can effortlessly move through the cosmos of your being, and notice all that appears in your being. As it appears and as it leaves again. And notice how freely you, as awareness, moves through the cosmos of your being. And allow yourself to permeate and satiate all that appears within you. So all thoughts and emotions and sensations, images and memories and feelings, planets, galaxies, all that appears within you. Allow it all to be satiated by you as the cosmos. For all to be satiated by your I am, the presence of your being, untouched, one cosmic home. In your intimate awareness of the experience of your own being. And as you ever so gently open your eyes, allow yourself, as the awareness that you are, to effortlessly include all that is around you, to be in you, to be in your beingness, and for none of it to touch you, in the full knowing that all that you are seeing with your senses, in the room that you are, the houses and homes around you, communities, and animals and plants and all that is around is just appearing within you. And allow for all of that to be satiated by you. Knowing that all that is all within one cosmos of being, a home for all, a home of all that is. Our one shared nature, our true nature. We are pure beingness, pure awareness, pure consciousness. And all are made of and known by and appears within the cosmos of our being. And perhaps to move your body and notice how your awareness can effortlessly move through your body, move through your home, move through your house, the device that you are looking at the moment. Just notice how the device is within you, within your beingness. And the effortless nature that you are, with all of this that you are seeing with your senses. Is satiated by your awareness. Thank you. Sure. If anyone would like to share something, whether that is light language, words, anything that wants to move through, just remember to unmute.
Feel like sharing some codes of awareness. Kir nakonai say atashuri hoi tanakir korekianahana. Turkia hanga kiankongai shananyo no saite rekiare hai kir kokoi tantanya saite koreako. Kira kache nakanai shi sosai tadakatria kandai nino noi nanyana saite nakotorekai tesotoite. Arhai gnashio sosai kirkui kankagai sanyo no koto isa. Piekoi tahakai kiare hakai shasasai sosai takdria hakon. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. What a blessing to receive the codes of your being in the presence of you and Morena, expressing all that is, expressing through. Thank you.
Inviting you to bring some movement into your body and to integrate these frequencies in an embodied way. Benarea kore sare shana nanere te natikia te traya turnarea. Karaya shanaria lateria. Hea kata eraya sunuetikaya. It's the frequency of these are pure frequencies, and we interpret them as softness. They are manifested in this reality as softness. For example, the softness of rose petals or baby's skin, kittens' fur, and you will have your own interpretation of this frequency. Softness. Kia kataera na shuetea seanari. Buena kia sea. Urteria ya shana aria. Ne te samataya. Softness of words. Kia ya shtere na katenaria sanaya. Neria na siria kishia. Softness of your gaze. Yanai kia sake erika. Buena shirik ayase. Yana katenia takataya. The softness expressed as the element, and they have different expressions of softness. Narikaya sikiana. And the beauty of softness is it is fleeting, temporary. And we are invited to appreciate softness and arikara katana tunya without clinging to it, trying to hold it tightly, because it is soft, kana tayata, ursi kiana. Narikia sunuantamina. Yashia ekia kanatena setia tama atiatana. Urkia kasanatiana tiatana. Urshana aria kia sikir nikia sana ati tana atatana. Siakatiana, there's great strength in this frequency of softness. But we are invited to Shanikianata Siana. See it as just another equal expression of a different frequency. Kunareta kia shanaya karanaya samaya kia kunare kia taya tiana tia taya tiana tia taya. Invitation to place your hands on your skin. Breathing here if you want to. Exhaling with a soft sound. And bringing your awareness to this moment, this softness, fully embodied, this frequency of softness embodied. And from this new level of awareness, we can meet one another in this space of softness. Very soft. If we want to. Thank you. These are codes from a specific dimension. I can only describe it as a soft dimension. And also, it's very much everything there is gentle. And perhaps you get your own information from this frequency in a vision or words. This year, I'm seeing a lot of soft kittens and babies, and also very soft flowers, sand, and lots of other things we don't have here. Like, I'm seeing like a velvet tree where the bark is velvet. Really nice. Purple. And bowls being given a bowl of soup. It's pink. And it's soft. Like candy floss. So, this transmission is complete. Thank you. I'm curious what you experienced there.
Is there anything you want to share, Nina?
Yeah, I feel like very soft and just like add some flower coats, the inside of the flower, the soft skin of the inside of a flower. Pedi chachai chanakiana sai sisi do tira kia chukui sanyana show sai like baby sleeping inside the flower tira chai kakashi otoko and the skin of the baby touching the skin of the flower tira kakai kiasa shia soroyo like silk ki rai kokoi ka Terki royam kasai nasai the skin of the flowers green I don't know in stängel Kharena yanana the roots in the soft fluffy earth ground going deep into the core golden core Gaia Sophia dear Kirka as we embrace this softness the softness that we have all inside our bodies, our awareness, and our one cosmic home. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for bringing us there.
And as our awareness are within the softness of being, perhaps the sharing of the experience that I have can also include the sharing of grounding all that has moved through. And as you and us, in our shared nature, experience ourselves simultaneously in the center of all centers and throughout the whole cosmic nature of our being. Just touch into the softness of it all, the gentle, loving, soft nature of our being. A nurturance and a sustenance that permeates through all experiences and all the visions that arise for each one of us individually and collectively as a whole. The flowering of our true nature in all the different ways that it does. The blooming and emanation of the love and the light of our true nature, our shared nature, permeating through all, to know their gentle nature, the softness of it, as all of us are continuing to know ourselves as the cosmos that we are, and our oneness with all that is, and our awareness of it being so. All those thoughts and memories and images and feelings and sensations that arise, for it to be felt in a soft and gentle way, as it is already all known by all of us, as we are made of all awareness, in the softness of that, the love that permeates through all, moving through freely, gently, through our boundless and spacious nature of being. And as we allow ourselves to experience in our own unique way the true nature that we share, the beingness that we share, and therefore the reflections we are receiving from each other, and to see each other through the gaze of all that we are. And just perhaps a moment to close your eyes, to allow yourself as the cosmos that you are, to move through all the different images that has appeared for you, through you, as you, known by you, made of all shared knowingness. Just allow for that to move through you in all the different vibrational frequencies of movement, as you know exactly the perfect moments in your spacious nature to experience all the different visions of your being, messages of your true nature, and for that to be a grounded experience, to be shared by all, to all, through all, as all. And as we do, grounding our experience of one cosmic home as a reflection for all. As these experiences that we've shared with each other, you have had, grounds through the very grounding of our presence, may all continue to emanate the messages of our being for all to remember, to see, to know, and to experience for themselves in their own unique way. And if you gently open your eyes again, just allow yourself to be aware of the physical sensations of your body, to move as it knows already all that you are. Boundless, bountiful, beautiful, our true shared nature and one cosmic home. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sending you so much love. Until the next.